Hello to Dark Souls 3, Ashes of Ariandel. This could be episode 3. There's a lot of anger, you know, towards the fucking bird people of this game. Fuck you guys. So yeah, we'll just continue on here, boys. Let's keep going. Well, drop down here onto this thing. Hole. Ah, my side. Okay. It's gotta be an item. Oh, fuck me! Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck, there's two! Shit, 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 shit! I'm fucked, guys. That guy went through the wall. Guys, 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 guys. Please, I don't want to fucking die. It don't matter anyways, actually. I don't have any souls. Yeah, fuck you, I got it still, bitch! There is a person in here. Oh, it's a library. Oh, you have? Hey! What? Fuck. Yo, bro. We in this together, man. We in this together. We don't have to do this, man. Oh, shit! I want that sword. Fuck you. I'm gonna kill you, you stupid little bitch. I want that fucking sword, man. Oh, that was close, man. Ow. Fucking forlorn asshole. I'm about gonna kill you, bitch. Oh, shit, he's healing. Shit. This is gonna be, no, stop healing. I guess I have to heal. I missed. Wonder how many miracles he has. Fuck you. I trained in the art of giant-ass hammer fucking. You fucking missed. What the fuck, man? Okay, I was gonna use my katana. Still am. Ow! Like a heal? What are you doing? Ow, ow, oh shit, that does so much damage, man. Damn, dude. I don't know if I can do this. There's always a weakness to one of these guys. I just don't know what it is. There's always a way you can fuck him up. I just forget. Oh god. Oh god. I could probably get behind him and fucking backstab him, but... Okay, I need my hammer. My hammer does way more damage. Ow, ow. I went first. Shit. Dude, how many of those does he have? Okay, he's gonna do it again sometime. When he gets enough space. Or not. He's gonna try to... Ow. Dude, that thing does so much damage. Shit, dude. I'm sorry I'm not talking. I'm trying to focus right now. This guy's annoying. Come on. Almost got him. He's one more hit away. I can fucking tank it. Fuck you. What to do? What to... Huh? high? Oh, shit! Dude! That's loud. I'm just gonna come down here. Grab this. Ooh, prism stones. Oh shit, more guys. Come on, fight me like a man. 1v1 me, bitch. Dead. Okay, there's 2 down. 17 more to go. Don't fucking blow fire. Come up towards me, brethren. Come on. Ooh. Dead. Why do you have to give me more wolves to fight? Out of every enemy in this fucking place, you gotta give me wolves. To be honest with you, I'd rather take... No, never mind. I was about to say I'd rather take those fucking assholes bird guys. Oh, shit. Fighting them one at a time is not that hard, though. Maybe I can sneaky sneak. And dead. What were you guys looking at? Fucking Valley of Nothing. Nice. I hear more. Okay, let's keep moving. Wait, what's up here? Ooh, what's up here? Weapon ahead. Another weapon? Another weapon. The fuck are you? Oh shit, boy! Yeah, that is awesome. Oh shit, I barely do jack shit to this guy. Ow. Oh god damn! I don't think I can do backstabs on this guy. Oh. Oh, you give me a fucking large Titanite shard, that's it. Oh. A Quakestone Hammer. I just got your fucking weapon, bitch. I saw another giant ass guy over here that I have to deal with. Isn't there? Yeah. Oh god damn, there's 2? Oh, this guy's not good at aiming. Right. See if I can attract 1. Did that fucking go through him? Let me try that again. Okay, now it's hitting him. Hey, come back, you little bitch. I'm like literally half your size, and you're gonna fucking be like a little bitch to me? Oh, shit! I think I found a fucking Dragonborn. Oh, I can backstab them! Ho ho, you guys gotta get fucked now! You gotta go get fucked now! Ho ho, bitch! You guys can't deal with a god like me. I am God. Oh shit. Oh shit. Stop pushing me off the edge. Fuck me. Ow! Ow! God damn it. Fuck! I don't want to do that again. Well, that is it for part 3. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Yeah, see you then.